Alright guys, what's going on? I am back. It's been like a little over a month, like 5, 6, 7 weeks. Allow me to explain why I've been gone. So the past month or so, I have been in the desert. And that's about all I can say. So what happens is the Marine Corps, for pre-deployment training, will go and conduct this training called ITX. What ITX is a bunch of ranges, culminating events that come together that you then conduct, your battalion conducts, and it's a way for your commandment to see where you guys stand, see where you stand personally, and all the way to the lowest level of like your squad, to see where you need to improve. It sucked. It really did. Where we do it sucks. Living basically, you'll see, in like a hooch. There's not a lot of plugs to charge things. There's no service, really. You're kind of off the grid for a little bit. As you guys will see within the next couple of videos, it's basically just going to be what we did. A lot of it's actually not going to be on camera. A lot of it I couldn't record just because, for legal reasons, for legal matters. A lot of the things that we do can't be put out to the public, especially on like a platform, a social media platform like YouTube, where there's like a lot of access to it. But yeah, it's good to be back.
That's 100. That's 100.
It is, yeah, this is our year. Knock us down once, we got up again. Put in the work, so I know we gon' win. This is for real, we never pretend. We gotta win. I had to stop being basic. Part of my dreams had to chase. Counting me out, I counted me in. Fell off before, but never again. They boxing me out, I never fit in. Never will fold, never compete. Just wanna win.
Alright, what is going on, guys? Today is day 2 out here on Camp Wilson. Just went for a run. It is hot out. It is hot as balls. Thank God we did it in the morning, because if we did it in the afternoon when the sun was high, we would have died. I would have died. I almost just died. I mean, if you like looking at me, like, I'm literally sweating out of every pore on my body. It is hot out. It is going to continue to be hot out. I am going to die out here.
Hey yo, what it do, baby? You know, we out here. Yo, Bodine, let them know we finally get to shower. They said shower. They said shower. I mean, I heard it right, you feel me? You know, Bodine was out there wheezing, couldn't fucking keep the gap tight. Sergeant had to yell at him. It's crazy, man. Hey, damn, what the fuck am I sitting on? I ain't gonna lie, I'm feeling very uncomfortable. There's too many niggas out here with no shirts on. So it's like an everyday thing. I gotta see dick, ass. But yo, I ain't suspect, I'll tell you that.
Check your band-aids.
See, this is the bandage. We're all infected. We're all infected.
Let me see. I gotta put you in the charger. Then I gotta turn you off.
Look at those clouds.
It's raining, but it's like not coming down hard. It's not coming on, like, it's not hitting the ground. It's just windy and noisy. It is absolutely crazy out here right now. Not crazy, but like for where we are, it's pretty crazy. Right, Wix?
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
I think it's good.
It's amazing.
It's good.
It's like a nice breath of fresh air. I can breathe. There's no dust.
Hey, follow SungMin Media because I don't really know why, but
If it gets worse, I'll show you guys. But if it stays like this, I'd be happy. Right, dog?
yeah.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
For only 15 cents a day, you can help these poor Marines with the money they need for dips, cigarettes, and hookers. Please, donate. Help make a difference.
Alright, what's going on, guys? It is, it's Wednesday now. Today is the first day that we're actually running real ranges out here at Camp Wilson. So, it was really weird. On the way here, just absolute torrential downpour. I wish I had my GoPro with me at the time, but I didn't. But yeah, so we were literally, it was like an hour ride out here, and we were in the middle of nowhere. Like, literally nowhere. Like, I thought Camp Wilson was in the middle of nowhere. This is like in the middle of the nowhere. In the middle of nowhere, if that makes any sense. Yeah, I thought it was really nice. The sunset looks awesome. You got some fog in the distance, some rolling mountains. It's pretty nice. We're in the middle of the desert, and it's raining. I love it. Dogs out here. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Hey, are you guys staying dry under there? Oh, I just got some cool ass landing behind you. That was actually pretty dope. I will. Yeah. What's up? Dude, I like the rain. It's keeping me cool. It's like a shower.
So the rain stopped. But it's still raining in the desert. You got it. Hello.
So we just ran the range. It's actually really nice. It's pretty cool out, so we were able to stay nice and cool. Last night sucked though. Rained while everyone was sleeping. Half the people didn't have a bivy sack on, so they had to like get out and get all their stuff. Like, we're in the middle of the desert, and it's been raining for 3 days now.
I have caffeine pills if you need them. Hey guys, I'm on camera right now. It's fucking awesome. So happy to be on camera. Thanks guys. Bye.
Same thing. Hey, shut up. You were I already go. I got one in there pretty sure.
Ew, ew, ew!
Oh, that's cool. I mean, I literally heard.
Oh my god! Okay.
Take that out of your mouth.
Oh, I have to go to the field and prepare for war with a very bad disease in my arm. And no way of treating
Hey,
it.
Doc, where were you when you got smallpox?
Chilling at home.
Fuck you.
You know what? Fuck you.
Okay, good. I would like that.
I'm glad we understand each other.
Everyone's on the same page. This is great.
Bro, yeah, I shaved, dude.
I know what he's saying.
I shaved before we came out here. Coming in already, boys.
Oh, fuck. Who are you? He's Katala.
So good.
That's Katala.
So good.
Hey guys. So it's 7:30 and we finally did something today. We only have to wait since 4 in the morning this morning. Oh yeah. Scan. Bye-bye.
Yeah, you can't read them.
Marine to be demoted. Center, march!
Good evening, sir. Good evening. A little bit.
To all who shall see these presents greetings, know ye that not reposing special trust and confidence in the lack of fidelity and ability of Luke McDougal, I do demote this Marine to the rank of Poolee on the first day of August 2019. I do require all civilians of lesser grade to render obedience to appropriate orders. Signed, Lieutenant Colonel Clinton J. Cummings, USMC, commanding!
Fucking rank off.
Go on, get the fuck out of here!
Like a dying hyena.
Almost there, big guy.
Good?